A very good morning, students. On last turn of your online English class, I begin this new chapter. Should wizard hit mommy? Okay, so I just give an introduction of this story. That what exactly the story speaks about. Okay, and what is the theme of the story? It is written by John Updike. And today, as I told you now, on last turn, that on next turn I'll begin the explanation of the story paragraph wise. So let's begin the story. In the evenings and for Saturday, naps like today's. Naps means like a short sleep, especially during the day. Okay, while sitting in the train, bus, car, and sometimes when we are working, and you children will be having more experience while seeing teachers are napping on the chair while teaching at the time of correction because they get tired. So especially nap word we use for not a deep sleep, but when we just take a slight just we close our eyes and we start some means start moving our body, means when we lose control over ourselves and we are just feeling sleepy, so that type of sleep is said to be naps. So, like today's, Jack told his daughter Joe a story out of his head. This custom began when she was two. She was two means she was of 2 years. Okay, she was 2 years old. Was itself now nearly 2 years old, and this head felt empty. Each new story was a slight variation of a basic tale. A small creature, usually named Roger, Roger fish, Roger squirrel, Roger skimp punk, and we can say had some problem and went with it to the wise old owl. The owl means these all are a fish, squirrel, all these are the animal characters, okay, which were used in the story. So the owl told him to go to the wizard, and the wizard performed a magic spell that solved. Magic spell means, a form of words used as a magical charm, means reading some or chanting some shloka and something and then saying to someone, now your work will be done, okay, and this will happen to you or this will be done for you. So this is what we say magic spell that solved the problem, demanding in payment a number of pennies means money, greater than the number that Roger creature had, but in the same breath directing the animal to a place where the extra pennies could be found. Then Roger was so happy he played many games with other creatures and went home to his mother just in time to hear the train whistle that brought his daddy home from Boston. Okay, so this is the story. The beginning of means this is the first paragraph of the story. So let's begin the explanation. What is this? The story says it tells that every evening and on Saturday afternoon naps. Okay, naps while sleeping. Jack used to tell his daughter a bedtime story. The habit started, this habit means of telling a story or listening a story started when Joe was of 2 year old, and now that Joe was 4 years old. Jack did not have any creative ideas for stories. Means Jack, father of that girl, he was not having that from where he will bring new topic, new titles and new stories. So he was not having a very good idea, creative ideas for stories. Most of the stories that he used to tell Joe, they revolved around the same plot. Means they revolved, means from same theme he used to choose stories to tell his daughter. And the same plot and same theme concerning an animal named Roger. So he used to select any of the animals, and all the animals, means all the different characters, will be given only one name, that was Roger. So in evening, or in every in every story, we can say either it was in evening or afternoon, Roger used to be a different animal with some kind of a problem. So this animal will be having some kind of problem, and with that problem he would go to someone, and they will send him to the wizard. Then Roger would go to this wise owl. There was a character who was Owl, to take help, who would in turn tell him to go to the wizard. The Roger would take his problem to the wizard. Then Roger is helped by this wizard in exchange for some pennies, or we can say money, mostly a bit more than what Roger had with him. So he would always ask more than that which Roger will be having. And then he will tell him also that where he can find some more money. He will direct him, he will suggest him, he will give him some ideas, and then this Roger will go again back to the place and will collect some more money and comes back to the wizard and gives him money, and then the matter will be over. So after helping him, as we know that the wizard would ask him to go to a certain place to fetch some more money, and Roger would do exactly like that. Then after paying the wizard, Roger would go back, and all the other animals would start playing with him. And when he will give the money to the wizard, afterward he will play with animals, and he would be very happy, and later he would return home just in time to wait for his father, who would be returning from Boston, okay, by the train. So this was the explanation of first paragraph. I want you, dear children, to write a form 4 questions. Out of this paragraph, at least 6 to 7 questions can be formed very easily. Okay, and I don't think that I should give you any ideas that how you will form questions out of the paragraph. So it's better you read this paragraph at least 2-3 times, and automatically some ideas will come in your mind that how to form questions out of this paragraph. Okay, on next turn I want you to write at least 6 to 7 questions from this paragraph, and then we'll continue the chapter. Okay, now just start writing. On next turn I means when I will explain this next paragraph, I want at least everyone should have written new words and all 4-5 questions from each paragraph. This is not only one paragraph. Okay, out of this you can make at least 7 questions. On next turn I'll explain next paragraph. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.